Recently, my friend gifted me this reflective Rubik's Cube, and I immediately was like, oh my god, the things I could do with this. So I brought it into the laboratory for a light experiment, and for this experiment I use a green laser, a rotating glass vase, and a giant projection lens. And here's a really simple diagram of what the goal is, okay? We're going to isolate a light refraction onto the rotating Rubik's Cube. The projection lens will allow me to shoot a concentrated laser beam through the textured rotating glass onto the Rubik's Cube. If filmed from the proper angle, the surfaces of the Rubik's Cube will reflect green bursts of refracted laser light. So I'm gonna break that down for you guys, and we're gonna take a closer look at what I mean, okay? Here is the laser shining through the textured glass. The laser is picking up on everything, and you see this beautiful, watery, cosmic pattern. That's what we want to put on the Rubik's Cube. And we're going to do that with these lenses. You can see I'm getting the lens lined up here, and watch the top of this. See? You can see I'm just missing the Rubik's Cube. It's not quite high enough. So what I do is I tilt the laser back. Now it's starting to get a little bit closer. All right? Now once I've got everything lined up, or close to lined up, we're going to kill the lights, and I'm going to put this lens in place. Now watch what happens when I put the lens in place, okay? Look at this. It completely engulfs the laser, and then it turns it into that concentrated laser beam, and it's shining through the glass. You can see it right here on the glass, and you can see it right here on the wall. We're going to zoom in on this light refraction, and you'll notice that what's on the wall is exactly the same pattern that was inside of the vase, but now we're seeing it on high definition on the wall by using these projection lenses. So this is the pattern that we want to get on the Rubik's Cube. Look how beautiful that is. We want this to dance across the reflective surfaces of the Rubik's Cube. So let's continue doing this. Right now, we've got to get it aligned, and we get it aligned. And watch what happens when I move the laser beam up. It goes down. When I move the laser down, the beam goes up. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it back, and you can see as I get it into position, the cube starts to illuminate a little bit more. Here it comes. Wait for it. It's almost aligned. Almost aligned. Now we're looking for that flash. There it is. That's perfectly aligned. That's what we're looking for. And now we've got this very reflective / refractive object that appears to be some crazy cosmic battery that'll charge your spaceship. I don't know. But the point, the beauty of this is we turned this seemingly insignificant object into something extraordinary. And this is what it looks like in high definition. This was the vision. You hand me an ordinary object that might reflect some light or something, and this is what we're going to turn it into. I hope this video has inspired you to see the world differently. I'm going to turn this video into an NFT, so you guys will be able to see how these experiments unfold, and then you'll get to see these insignificant objects come together in all their glory into a beautiful work of art. My name is Matt Worldly. This is Alien Wizard Science, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Peace, love, and light refractions.